Guys, this is amazing. This soup, if you have somebody that is sick, give this soup. This is the plate of life. This soup can bring somebody that is sick back to consciousness. Hi friends and food lovers, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emem N and you're welcome to my kitchen. In my country, Nigeria, we have different ways we make okra soup. I've already posted in my channel how to make seafood okra, but today I'm going to show you guys how to make fresh okra soup. So guys, let's dive straight into the video. So guys, for today's recipe, we're going to be needing okra. I've already washed and cut the head. This is smoked dry fish. You can use any dry fish of your choice. I'm using smoked catfish. I've already washed and the bone is clean. This goat meat is already washed. Stockfish. I have here shaki. They call it shaki or towel in Nigeria. This is cow skin or bomo. Call it bomo in Nigeria. Blended pepper mix. I have in here habanero and scotch bonnet pepper. This palm oil. I have some periwinkle here. Oziza leaf. Okay guys, what I have here is oziza seed. I like putting it in my okra soup. I have here salt and bullion cubes. I have here crayfish. It's already washed and blended, and some onions. So let's start. My pot is clean and washed. I'll turn in my goat meat. It's already washed. Stockfish, towel, and bomo. Go ahead and season it with some salt. Add in my bullion cube, my blended peppers, some onions, a little crayfish. Add water. I'll go ahead and steam my meat till it's soft and tender. I'll go ahead and cut my okra. So this is perfectly okay for me. I'll go ahead and turn into this other chopped okra. This is the chopped okra. I will turn this together and continue cooking. I'll go in with my dry fish, some more. This fresh pepper. I'll go in with some more onions. Extra onions add more flavor to my soup. Okay, I'm adding my crayfish. Some palm oil, adding some extra water. This is my Osuza seed. At this point, guys, you can check for the taste of your soup. I add in my seasoning cube. So guys, it's time to add in my okra, and my soup is almost ready. See, this fresh okra soup is super delicious. So I go in with my periwinkle and stir. My okra soup is almost ready. So guys, I add in my Osuza leaf and my soup is ready. This is one of the okra recipes in Restuarant, so I would like you to try it out. It's super delicious, fresh. You can see how green it's looking. So my soup is ready. So guys, our fresh okra soup is ready, nicely plated. You can try this out and let me know in the comment section. If you've watched this video till this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in my next video, but first guys, I have my spoon here. I want to take a scoop from my soup. Guys, this is amazing. This soup, if you have somebody that is sick, give this soup. This is the plate of life. This soup can bring somebody that is sick back to consciousness. It's too delicious, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.